Hello students, let's read this question. So the question is 125 ml of 63% of H2C2O4.2H2O, that is oxalic acid, is made to react with 125 ml of 40% weight by volume NaOH solution. So the resulting solution is neutral, acidic, strongly acidic or alkaline. Okay. So basically we try to react or make a solution in which oxalic acid react with NaOH solution, and the final solution has the pH of, or it is neutral, acidic or strongly acidic. For that we have to calculate the concentration or normality of both these solution. Okay, so for normality or concentration, the formula is, for normality or concentration, the formula is weight upon equivalent weight into 1000 upon volume in milliliter. Okay, first of all we are going to calculate normality for H2C2O4.2H2. okay, as we know, the molecular weight of oxalic acid is 126 gram per mole. Okay, and the equivalent weight of oxalic acid is actually equivalent weight. How to calculate? We calculate equivalent weight by molecular weight upon its basicity or acidity, and the basicity for oxalic acid is actually 2. So the equivalent weight is equals to 126 upon 2, that is 63. Okay, now normalities of oxalic acid is actually, normality is weight of oxalic acid given here is actually 63% weight by volume, that means 63 gram. So it is 63 upon equivalent weight is also 63 into 1000 upon volume of oxalic acid given here is 125 in ml. Okay, so on solving this, the normality is comes out to 8 naught. Okay, now move on to the second one, which is NaOH. Okay, so first of all the molecular weight of NaOH is actually 40. It is 40, okay, gram per mole. And if we talk about the equivalent weight, we know the basicity of NaOH is 1, so the equivalent weight is 40 upon 1, that is 40. Okay, here the volume given again is 125 ml and weight of NaOH given is 40. Okay, so we have normality is equal to 40 weight upon equivalent weight, that is also 40, into 1000 upon 125. Okay, on solving it we have again normality we have is 8, so that means they both have same normality. Okay, or we can say that they both resulting in same normality, that means the final solution is actually neutral. Okay, so because we can say that because oxalic acid is an acid and sodium hydroxide is a base, and they have the same concentration or normality, that's why they are neutral, or the solution of both these is neutral. So the correct option of this question is option number